Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to buy S&P 500 index fund on Fidelity. Firstly guys, go to the Fidelity's website and sign into your account. We're already here. If you don't have one, of course, create one, open an account. In the search bar type in S&P 500 or enter specific fund tickets like FX, AIX. Now click on the desired fund from the search results. You can also just Google it and it's gonna just save you time. After that, click on the desired fund from the search results. Carefully check the fund's performance, expense ratio, and other key details to ensure it fits your investment goals. After that, select buy to proceed with your investments. If you have multiple accounts, choose the correct one. Specify the amounts you want to invest. Choose either a one-time purchase or set up recurring investments for dollar cost averaging. Double check the investment amount, fund name, and other details. Click Submit to finalize your purchase. Go to the Positions tab in your Fidelity account to monitor your fund's performance. For long-term growth, many investors prefer to set up automatic investments to consistently build their S&P 500 holdings. Guys, enjoy the video. If this helped, give us a like, a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe. Guys, also don't forget to click on the notification bell to not miss the new uploads. Very important. Thank you. See you in the next one.